Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify your Snapchat business account. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To verify your Snapchat business account, start by logging into your Snapchat account. Once logged in, tap on your profile icon at the top left corner of the screen. Next, navigate to the settings icon located in the top right corner. Scroll down until you find the business section. Tap on Snapchat Business. Here, select Verify Your Business. You will be prompted to enter your business information. Fill in your business name, website URL, and other required details. Make sure the information is accurate and matches your official business documentation. After entering your details, check for any additional verification requirements. Prepare any necessary documents, such as your business license or tax ID. Submit the verification request once you have completed the form. You may receive an email confirmation regarding your request for verification. Keep an eye on your email for updates from Snapchat regarding your account status. Once verified, you will receive a notification confirming your new status. With your account verified, you can access additional tools and features on Snapchat. This will enhance your business's credibility and visibility on the platform. Be sure to monitor your account regularly for any further actions required. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.